Looking at this signal that I've just posted a video on 13997, actually more like 13996.5. It's interesting to note that it has two components. It's a very, very unusual signal. Some kind of really wide band transmission ended in Morse code, actually. So I don't know if it's the end of the transmission, but it's very weird. I wouldn't be surprised actually that this could be some digital data sent by the Mars military. 13990, 13995 are frequencies where I've heard some Mars, US Air Force Mars communications. So maybe this is some kind of data transmission from them. I'll try to listen to the video again and see if I can make out the Morse code signal. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to really listen to it right now, so I'm gonna try to figure it out again if I can hear it on the video. So interesting signals on the bands around 13996.5, 13997 upper sideband. That's the mystery of shortwave, the mysterious signals of shortwave. Always something to listen to.